Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So I'm here with my latest unboxing. I know it's been a minute since I've been here, but I had to kind of lay off my feet because I thought that getting just a pair of flat slides would help me kind of heal up a bit from my cracked toe, but it seemed to do more harm than good. So I just kind of had to lay off my feet for a little bit and give myself a little bit of time to recover. So I hope you guys can forgive me for not being around for a little bit, but I am here with a new mule to show you guys. I have shown you guys mules on the channel before, but not ones that are done in the traditional style like the ones in these box. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that and get right on into it. So in case you didn't know from the title, these are from the brand St. Laurent, and they are called the LA 16 Mule. These are an ongoing style from the brand. They're not about to get discontinued or anything. I just happened to find a discontinued color at the outlet. So I managed to snap these up for over, I think, 50% off if I remember right, because I've had these for a while. I just couldn't do much with them until now. And these, I don't really have anything like it in my collection. These are just pretty much a very, very traditional, very classic style of mule, not like the ones that are popular today, like say the Jimmy Choo Bang or the Manolo Blahnik Laurent. These are a sort of vintagey looking style of mule. Granted, vintage probably would never have been a 95 millimeter, but we're just gonna roll with it because I like them a little bit higher than say like a usual 70 millimeter that you find from most brands today, and for us, as far as mules are concerned. So I saw these at the outlet. They only had one size left, a 6.5. I thought I might as well try it on, and it fit. So for anyone interested in the LA 16 Mule from St. Laurent, with the brand St. Laurent in general, I would advise against buying their shoes unless you have insanely narrow feet. I happen to be a freak of nature that has insanely narrow feet, so they do kind of cater towards people like me, but I am not by any means the norm. I don't have a normal width foot. Like, I don't have a normal sized foot. I have a very relatively skinny foot in comparison to the average population. So I would advise going about other brands, or if you're just really bent on this shoe, for most people, I'd probably say go up a whole size. If I had to go up a half size, then if you're, say, a size 36 usually, I'd say go up to a whole 37. St. Laurent is just one of those brands where it's sized very, 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 very small. So definitely keep that in mind if you're actually interested in these shoes. Now, I was interested in these shoes because they remind me of one of my favorite TV shows that I've been watching since I was a kid. It ended before I was even born, but it's still one of my favorite shows, The Golden Girls, and if you ever seen it, then you would remember Blanche Devereaux, one of the main characters of the show, always clacking around in her little mules. She had many, many, many pairs of mules. I don't think she ever had any this high, but she just always wore a mule. It was like her signature shoe. With whatever she wore, it did not matter. She always had a mule. You never saw that woman in a flat. It was always something like this. So these I'm going to lovingly call my Blanche Devereaux shoes, because I don't think that woman would have ever really worn a bad pair of shoes, so to speak. So these I just saw. I loved how just simple the design was. The color isn't necessarily going to go with everything, but that's alright because they're so simple. I can wear them with dresses, I can wear them with jeans. It's not really going to be anything like the more popular Mules of today, like say the Jimmy Choo Bang, where you have the strap that can kind of cut off your leg. It's just all one toe box, that's it. So it doesn't cut you off, it gives you kind of like a longer look than say like the Bang with a strap and the toe box. So I am going to go ahead and show you the other one because why not? If you're familiar with me, you know I like to show both shoes. It's rather than just show one and then eventually show both while wearing them. I think both should be shown. I cannot talk today. And for those wondering if they notice that they are worn a little bit, it's because at St. Laurent outlet, they are one of those few stores, I don't know why this is, they don't have carpet. So when I bought these, they were not immaculate, which is probably another reason why that they were half off, other than just the discontinued color. So I haven't worn these, at least not outside of an outlet, but I'm sure plenty of people were trying them on, but I didn't care. That's not really something that phases me. So I knew I needed them. I have a very strong feeling that these are going to be very comfortable for someone like myself. The leather seems pliable. I think it will have a bit of give the more I wear it. So I'm hoping that these don't tear my feet apart, unlike my Hermes orange sandals that I just got. So I have a pretty good feeling they're going to be comfortable. I don't know that for certain yet, but I am hoping they are. And I will go ahead and try these on for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will hopefully see you in the next pair of shoes. Bye!